How to create a party in Disney Speedstorm. Are you playing Disney Speedstorm and want to race with your friends in your own private party? If yes, follow through the steps. First of all, launch open Disney Speedstorm app on your mobile devices or your tablets and log in with your account's credential. From the home page, go to the top of the screen and click the plus button under Party Up. Tap on it and click on Create Party. After you open up Create Party, you will be able to see your party code generated instantly. You'll need to share the party code with your friends. Simply share it with anyone that you want to invite to the party, and then they'll be able to join into your party. You can also alternatively select friends from your in-game friend list to invite them directly. Simply go to the Friends tab from the top and choose one of your friends you want to invite to the party if you have any. So that way you will be able to create a party and invite your friends into the party and start your very own private race. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.